At Farnborough International Airshow this time we're demonstrating our Renan 500 machine. What this is a series of machines where we will have a machine that can have from one laser up to 4 lasers. This obviously makes the variation in processing speeds and things like that, and the benefits of being able to increase the process of parts. I think aerospace are now looking at this technology and seeing the advantages of lightweighting of components. And from there they're now looking at this, well, how can we sort of use this in a real way of manufacturing? Yes, there are certain parts where the volumes meet this process quite easily. To look at moving it into more volume, they need to be able to process parts faster. The use of 4 lasers in a machine gives us the advantage to be able to run the machine much faster than conventional way with a single laser system. It's probably one of the biggest questions in aerospace at the moment is certification, certainly with the new technology. And this is the thing that the aerospace is trying to get to grips with. How do they certify a different process, a different technology? So it's, do you go down the route of certifying parts, or do you try and certify the process? And I think to certify the process will enable the uptake of manufacturing of AM parts for aerospace much better. And I think that's something they're trying to work with themselves. Well, if you look at AM and its benefits for aerospace, it's an additive process. So it means you put material where you need it. So rather than the traditional subtractive and where you're machining material and you tend to come to a point where you have to stop because machining anymore will make the part expensive, we just add material where it's required. So this way we can reduce the amount of material used, reduce the scrap massively, but also we can design components that can't be made conventionally, and you can add lightweight into that as a feature as well. So I think that is one of the real advantages that aerospace do see in this technology. I think Renishaw has a lot of interest from aerospace because it's a traditional engineering company. So we're already working with a lot of the aerospace prime companies with our traditional core business, which is metrology. Now when you see Renishaw is backing Additive and the development of the machines that we're pushing out, that's why there's a real interest for Renishaw and for aerospace to work closer together.